Hello all, welcome to UPSC in Focus. With the ordinance power under Article 123, President of India has amended the Supreme Court judge strength from 33 to 37 by amending the Supreme Court Number of Judges Act 1956, Clause Section 2. The original constitution contained Article 124(1), wherein it says that Supreme Court will be with CJA plus not more than 7 judges until Parliament by law prescribes a larger number. The second article is about the third Nordic-India summit. There are 5 Nordic countries: Norway, Sweden, Finland, Iceland and Denmark. The focus is on trade, green energy, maritime and tech cooperation. There is a festival in Kulgam, Kashmir it's called Panzath. It's a fish festival. WHO declares Ebola as a health emergency of international concern. The variant is Bundibugyo. And there is an editorial on one-horse races are no triumph for democracy, which says about the lack of competition in elections. The next article is about India's export performance in April 2026, which is greater because of the overall rise in price and increase in the number of markets served by Indian exporters. And it also shows the resilience in supply chains and establishment of new ones. Then there is a need to improve export competitiveness in terms of cost, scale and quality. Now comes the Denmark one. Denmark is a chair of Arctic Council. Finland and Sweden's accession to NATO made Russia as the Arctic Council's sole non-NATO member. India joined the Arctic Council as an observer in 2013. It is important because we have Himadri Research Station, Indark Underwater Observatory and Group-added Atmospheric Laboratory in Norway. It is not an Arctic nation but undeniably an Arctic stakeholder. Warming is 3 times faster in Arctic area than the global average, and there is existence of Chennai Vladivostok corridor which can be extended to Nordic to establish maritime links. There are other possibilities mentioned to improve. There is India-Netherlands relationship which is upgraded to strategic partnership. They have agreed on 17 agreements and MOUs on main areas such as water, agriculture and health. Bihar's Nalanda University integrated Shastrartha as a historical form of philosophical, religious and intellectual debate. This is significant. And there is another significant improvement upon receiving copper plates of Anaimangalam copper plates. This is recorded as a gift of land by Rajaraja Chola I to Buddha Vihara. The Buddha Vihara is called as Chulamanivarma Vihara or Rajaraja Chola Perumampalli. This was destroyed by Jesuit priests in 1867. The smaller plates were affected by Kulothunga Chola I. The ring circling this is has the royal insignia of the Chola tigers, 2 fish of Pandyas, bow of Cheras, 2 charamas and lamps and swastika.